Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy A80. I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint password. Okay, very, very simple here. I have one already in. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this first, and we're going to start from the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to go ahead and remove this fingerprint, just like that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and once we enable the fingerprint, we'll be able to see like a little thumbprint down here. Okay, it's not showing because I have no fingerprints registered on my phone right now. Okay, there's nothing down here. Anyways, let me go ahead and log into my phone here, and then first thing is go into your settings here, and then from the settings you want to scroll down and you want to go to biometrics and security. Tap on that. And then right here it says fingerprints. Okay, so tap on fingerprints here, and you can add multiple fingerprints. Okay, different hands, different fingers. Anyways, let me go ahead and type in my PIN number or my password here. Let me go ahead and get in here. Now it simply says place your finger on the sensor, lift it up when you feel like a slight vibration. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it down, vibration. Ooh, I felt a vibration, vibration, vibration. And so I'm gonna keep on doing this. Vibration, change the position slightly every time. Okay, so kind of like move your finger around a little bit, hold it down until you feel a slight vibration. All right, okay, now let's get a full scan. So we want to reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of the fingerprint. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on continue, and you kind of want to go the edges of your finger. Okay, let's hold it down. Here we go. And I'm still feeling it vibrate. There's a vibration there. Okay, fingerprint added. And then from here you can go ahead and you can add another one if you want to use another hand or another finger. I'm just going to go ahead and click on done here. And then you can see by default the fingerprint unlock is toggled on, which is probably what you want. If you want to add another fingerprint from here, you can go ahead and click on here as well. So basically now, if I go ahead and lock my phone, now we're going to see this little fingerprint thing pop up here. Okay, I could just put my thumb on there, and voila, you're in business. Pretty simple. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.